Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita and here I present my next video. So in today's video I'm going to talk about these two products. One of which is Fix My Curl Leave-In Cream and the second one is Fix My Curl Defining Gel. So yeah. And I'm also going to share how to apply these two products on your hair, so check this clip out. So here I have previously washed my hair and wrapped towel around them for like some times as I do not comb my wet hair. So now it's time to detangle your hair. Use wide tooth comb and be very gentle with your wet hair. So all the styling products works better on soaking wet hair. So here I am trying to make my hair more wet by using water spray like this. So now my hair is like literally soaking wet, you can see. So it's perfect time to apply your first product. So now it's time to apply Fix My Curls Leave-In Cream on your hair. So all you need to do is take generous amount of the product on your palm like this. You can see actually consistency of product here. See, the consistency is little running. So take the product on your palms, rub your palms together like this. And now apply the product all over your hair like this, very gently. So once you are done with leave-in cream, now it's time to apply Fix My Curls Shaping Gel on your hair. So all you need to do is just repeat the process you did for the leave-in cream. All the process is actually the same. All you need to do is take generous amount of the gel on your palms, rub your palms together, and apply product on your hair like this by running your fingers throughout your length of your hair. So once you are done with both the products, like applying both the products on your hair, now it's actually time to scrunch your hair so your hair can, your curls can form better texture like this. So now it's time to dry your hair. Either you let them air dry or you can also use diffuser for better texture or better form of your texture like this. But I have actually air dried them and you can check the result. So I have applied these two products on my hair to give my curls little more definition. So yeah, they have obviously worked on my hair for sure. I have already shown you the products while application of those. So both the products has little runny consistency, but both the products smells amazing and they definitely works on curly hair. As you can see, my curls looks more defined than usual. As you can see, the products are all nature friendly as they are cruelty free, silicone free, paraben free and also sulfate free. So I actually ordered this travel kit products. They are very handy in size, and I ordered them from Amazon. And yeah, they were actually came in this very cute little pouch, and yeah, both the products are like very handy and very small. Actually this is travel size kit. So yes, so along with these products actually they send this manual book in which there is like all guide from you can see like shampoo, conditioner and yeah, obviously, and also how to apply gel and the other leave-in cream and everything. Apart from which they also have some pro tips you can see here, and obviously the contact details. So yeah, this manual is actually very handy, and obviously you can read it once before applying those products on your hair for more information. And if you have any query, this book is definitely going to help you to solve those queries. So I actually kind of like this manual book because it's something extra and something that make you feel special, and along with all the information which you needed to know about the products details and everything. And this is something like little special, or you can say little love of token they are sending, in which obviously they are mentioning the products and the direction for how to use. So I think this book is like very beautiful, and it's something special. So it's quite obvious that these two products have definitely worked on my curls. My hair is literally looking good, and as you can see they have formed like better texture, and definitely these products are working on my hair. And yeah, they are kind of like smells very pleasant and also feels very soft. So it was my first time using those two products on my hair, and I'm quite happy with the result as my curls feel soft, nourished, and also my curls are very defined. So yes, but as I told you, this is like my first time, so I'm going to use these products often in future, and also going to make very detailed review about it. So stay tuned for that video. But right now, as of like first impression kind of thing, so yes, I'm quite happy with the result. And if you guys want, you can also check those products out. Like they definitely works on curly and wavy hairs. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Then definitely do like this video, share it with all your curly hair friends, and let me know their thoughts in comment section below. And if you have any queries regarding these products, do let me ask in comment section. I'm definitely going to answer them all. And yes, in future I'm also going to make one detailed review about these products. So yeah, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll come with new video very soon. Till then, thank you so much for watching.